Okay, just a bit of a review on stock setup for our sand trap project. You should have a model. If it's not complete, that's okay, as long as it's meeting the criteria. I'm going to turn on the sketch for fitting within the design zone, and all of our tools should fit and all that good stuff. So we are going to start by flipping into the manufacturer mode. So make sure you go up to the top left and go to manufacturer mode. Um, Immediately go up to the setup folder. Actually, before we do that, make sure your units, if you go up here to units, make sure it's in inches. And if it's not, click on the little piece of paper button and set it to inches, and set that to default if you have not already done that. Okay. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to click on the setup folder, and you're going to go over to stock, and you're going to change the mode to fixed box size. Now, because our stock width in the X direction is going to be 3.5, we're going to type that number in right here. And the distance between the vise, I'm going to go to a back view, is 4 inches. And you can see that it fits within that construction box that we created. Change your rounding up to 0. And then go to Setup and click on the little house so we can look at it at an angle. And you're going to pick that top left corner as your origin. Now notice my Z is pointing down. Most of you, probably your Z is pointing up, but I actually designed this upside down. You can notice by my template text written upside down, but that's okay. I can flip that Z axis by simply going to the orientation and going down to select Z axis plane, and then click this little button that says flip Z axis. You may not need to do this, but I do, because notice how my Z was in the wrong direction, and also my Y is also in the wrong direction. So if I flip my X, flip X, you'll notice that now my Y is pointing up, my X is pointing to the right, and my Z is up. So this is the correct orientation. If you're having trouble with this, give me a call over and I can help you, but this is what you want. Top left corner in the back with your UCS icon looking just like this. Once you're done, hit OK, and you have just set up your stock. Perfect.